I'm Matt and I'm going to show you how to install a clothesline on a brick wall. Fold down clotheslines are great because they won't take up all your space in the backyard. You can put them down the side of the house and save space. For this project you'll need a clothesline, masonry screws, an impact driver, a tape measure, a level, safety gear, a spanner, a hammer drill and an 8mm drill bit. Take your first wall bracket and mark its position on the wall. I'll be measuring 2.2 metres from my first bracket to mark the position of my second bracket. Place your bracket in position and mark its mounting holes. Using your hammer drill and masonry bit, pre-drill for your screw bolts. Don't forget your safety gear when drilling into bricks. Take your screw bolt and impact driver and fix your brackets to the wall. When the bubble's in the middle, you know you've got it right. Using your supplied fixings, attach your sidearm to the brackets. Assemble your front bar and attach it to the sidearms. You can't hang your clothes without your hanging line, so time to thread it through the frame. Now I've turned this area down the side of the house into a functional place to hang your laundry. When the clothesline's not in use, you can fold it down so it's not in view.